Insulation resistance measurement is a staple diagnostic procedure for insulation testing. The MI3288 Earth Insulation Tester is a perfect tool for just that. The insulation resistance measurement is quite literally at your fingertips. You can find it among single tests in the ISO menu. Just change desired parameters, check that the testing cables are properly connected, and press the Start button. Once the measurement is done, you can forget pen and paper. Simply save the test results on the tester. You can then download them on a PC and with a click or two include in a pre-prepared test report. That's all for now. Keep testing and stay safe.